Hi, primary stage. I'm Miss Iman Said from Learn Teacher Iman Chan. Today, I will resume the rest of what I told last video. But before I will go to our lesson today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Our lesson today, last class, we stopped here in this part of our summer course, which is present simple, and how we use present simple. Here is we use with I, and here we change this by the singular subject, by the singular pronoun. Okay, here is we have pronoun he takes what pronoun he takes us. It will be here gets. I will answer some of them and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Okay, I answer some of them and you can here it gets up, and you can continue the rest. Continue the rest of the sentence. I will give you the correction of the verb and the rest of the sentence. So you must be continue by yourself. Okay, here is we have he. It will be here. He takes what he takes has. He here take catches. Okay, excellent. He catches, to be here catches written like this, and we have es before h. After h we have es. Here is he arrives. Okay, I will leave you the rest to do it by yourself. Now we know how to answer the present simple form. Let's go to another item here in this part. Here when we use the with plural, we use what? We use singular, right? This it will be here we bake, not bakes. Why bake here? Because we here is what is plural. So the plural don't take what? Plural don't take s. Plural don't take s. Okay, you must know this rule. Okay, let's go to another one. For another item here. Another item here, it will be in the negative form. He gets up. So here gets up. I will put the negative form. It will be here doesn't. Doesn't. I will give the helping verb. Here it will be doesn't. Doesn't, and I put the verb in the what? In the infinitive form. Doesn't get up. It will be here doesn't get up. And I will put the verb in the infinitive form. Here is, it will be here don't have, don't, and I put the verb in the stem form. The stem form, if we have the singular here, it will be have. If the pronoun here, it will be he have. He has. If I replaced I have by he has, so the answer it will be what? It will be doesn't have. So here we have the have, and I put here don't have. Okay. When we have has, I return the verb to the stem. Okay. Let's go to another one here. Here we have he catches. So here I put the infinitive form. It will be doesn't catch, and I put the verb in the stem form. It will be doesn't catch. Okay. Doesn't catch, and I will put the verb in the infinitive form. Another one, it will be here don't. It will be here don't arrive. Don't arrive. Okay, don't arrive. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Let's go to another one. Ask a question. When I ask a question, I do what how I make a question. I replace. I make what I make. Make replacement or scissor or any word that we use it. We can make a replacement. I put the verb instead of subject. It will be here does. To be here does he get, and I could and continue the rest of the sentence. And I put at the end of the sentence, I will put question mark at the end of the sentence. So here I make a replacement or make a scissor or make any or inverse anything. Okay, but the brief from this story, it will be put the verb instead of what? Instead of subject, like this. Okay, here we say I have my breakfast at 6:30. It will be here do. It will be here do you have. It will be here do you have. It will be here, do you have, and I continue the rest of the sentence and put question mark at the end of the sentence. Let's go to another one. He catches the bus at 7 every day. So it will be here does. Why does here? Because we have because the verb is in the present simple form. So I put does. I will give the this called what? This called helping verb. Does he catch? And I put the verb in the steam form. And I put the verb in the steam form. And continue the rest of the sentence. I will leave you to continue the rest of the sentence and put question mark at the end of the sentence. Let's go to another one. They arrive to school at 7:30. It will be here what? It will be do they, to be here. Do they arrive? Do they arrive? And I continue the rest of the sentence. Do they arrive? I continue the rest of the sentence and I put question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay? I continue the rest of the sentence and put question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay. Now we know how to do the present simple form in the affirmative, in the negative, and in the question form. Let's go to another item here. Here we have in the negative form, but in the present, here is we say got. Not here, not the present, it's past. We have misprinting here. Here it will be what? It will be here did. So I put here did I, did you what? Did you get? And I put the verb in the what? In the infinitive form. If the verb is in the past form, I put it in the infinitive form, and I continue the rest of the sentence. Okay, this is the mistake here. It will be not present. It will be here past. Okay. Have misprinting here. Here it will be what? It will be did you have. It will be here did you have. Why here? Because had is the past of what? Of the have. Okay, of have. Did you have? I will turn the verb to what? To the steam form. Then I put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Let's go to another one. I caught the bus at 7:30 yesterday. It will be did you catch. It will be here did you catch. Did you catch? I put the verb in the steam form. Did you catch? And continue the rest of the sentence and put question mark at the end of the sentence. Here I arrived, so it will be did you arrive? It will be here did you. It will be here the placement. I will put did, then I put you. I put the verb in the steam form. Did you arrive? And continue the rest of the sentence. And I put question mark at the end of the sentence. Let's continue the rest of the lesson here before we go to learn some sentences to improve your language. Okay, let's go to another one here. Here is in the here is in the negative form. Here is in the negative form or question form. This is what in the question form. Negative form. It will be here what? It will be here I didn't do. It will be here didn't do. Didn't, and I put the steam verb. It will be didn't do when I make it negative. Okay. Here is didn't play. Didn't play. I put the verb in didn't. It will be here didn't play. I put the verb in the steam form. Didn't play. Okay. To be didn't watch. In this video, we learn how to make the present simple in the affirmative form, in the negative form, in the question form, and we know how to make the past simple in affirmative and negative and question form. In this video, we learn how to do so. Okay, let's go to another one. I will leave this to the next video to remind you again. Next video. I hope today I stop here in this part. Let's go to learn some sentences to know how to make a sentence in English and to improve your language. Here is we have some sentences. I would like to learn with me some sentence to practice how to write the good sentence. Here is we say, let's take some steps up the stairs to watch the stars. This is a sentence. I would like to learn the sentence to know how to write good sentence in English. Let's take some steps up the stairs to watch the stars. Here is a topic about tell your friend about your weekend. You can write in the weekend what we can do in weekend. You can go to the park. You can go to the club. You can play with friends in the park and make activities. So you can write here what you do in the weekend. Okay, make your mind in this. I will leave this to do it by yourself. Okay, let's go to another one here. To another sentence. Please say she went. This here I use here. Now we learn the past simple form. Here is in the sense is here in the past simple form. She went because we use the past why because they narrate what happened in the yesterday. So when I talk about something happened and ended, I use the past simple form. She went shopping to buy new shirts and shoes. Okay, let's go to another sentence. My father and my brother went together to buy new clothes. Here we use what? We use the past simple form. Now we know how to use the past simple form. Here is we used went here and use here went also to describing the action happened and ended in the past. Let's go to another sentence here. I would like to make more sentences to be able to write. Here is in this sentence is in the present form. On Saturdays, Guy and his friends go ice skating. Guy asks Haya, can you skate? Haya says, no, I can't, but Ali can skate. Ali can skate. Guy helps Haya to skate. Guy likes ice skating. Okay. Do you talk about a sport you like? I will leave this for you to write about something, the sport you like. Some of you saying, I like my favorite sport, or I like playing, or I like swimming because it's an interesting sport, and I like water. Then I like swimming. I like swimming because I'm interested in doing so. Another one saying I'm like most of boys like what? Like football. You say we like football because we have teams and you have competition between two teams, and we want to encourage one of the team to win the match and so on. Okay. Most of the boys and men like sport. Okay, like football. Okay. Today we'll stop here in this part. Next class I will continue. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.